Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove TikTok watermark. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open the video which you want to remove watermark and tap on share and tap on copy link and open your phone browser and type here download TikTok video without watermark, and we can open in your website. So I'm going to open this first one and enter here the video link and tap on search and tap on download, and your video will be downloaded without watermark. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.